Today I'm taking the WAVLINK USB 4 PCIe NVMe SSD Enclosure. First thing I can tell, this is a heavy piece of equipment right here. Got a little warning on the back. 40G high-speed reading and writing generates high temperature on the surface of the device, so you can expect this to get hot. NVMe drives do have a tendency to get hot, and running them at full speed can make them even hotter. Definitely feels like a full aluminum case, so if you're looking for something heavy-duty, not plastic, this is going to be the guy that you want. We do have ventilation on the back for airflow. We have USB-C port there on the front, and we have some more ventilation for air. That just pops off, and we got a steel plate and some magnets in there to hold it in place. Very nice design. So you can see we got our standard interface on there, and that can accommodate different lengths of NVMe drives. And it appears they have a thermal pad pre-installed, so that's kind of nice. So we have our cable that is USB-C to USB-C, and it does say on there that it is rated for 40 gigabits per second. We also have a carrying pouch. That's kind of nice. It actually has separate pockets for the enclosure as well as the cable. And we have our mounting feet. It does come with a quick start guide, and that is in full color. One thing I'd say I like about this foot is that it is kind of a rubbery silicone material. Plastic ones have a tendency to break, so I appreciate that they did that with this. So we're going to insert the drive, and then we're just going to push that button into the hole. There we go. Nice and easy installation. So I'm going to plug my USB-C cable into there, and I'm going to plug this guy in. It is currently plugged into a USB 4 port, and it did pick that up right away. And I can just hear a fan in there. It's kind of quiet, but you might be able to hear it. So that's nice. We do know that we have active cooling. So I'm going to copy these files that were on the hard drive that I put in, and we'll put that on the desktop. There's about 15 gigabytes worth of pictures and videos, and that was super quick. All right, let's go ahead and delete these. And I'm going to transfer them from my desktop back onto the drive. So we are looking at about 1.2 gigabytes per second. So not bad at all. And let's do a speed test. Okay, so we've got some excellent numbers here for our sequential 1x8 process 1 thread. We have a read of 3674 and a write of 3441. For the sequential 1 megabyte 1 process 1 thread, we got 2868 and 1875. For the random 4K 32 process 1 thread, we got 396 and 260. And worst case scenario, random 4K 1 process 1 thread, we got 57 and 19. So overall, excellent speeds for this enclosure. Especially for an external enclosure, these speeds are getting pretty darn good. You gotta think this is 7 times faster than an old SATA SSD that would be an internal drive on a computer. On top of that, with this being an aluminum enclosure, and let me just check, that is still warm. That is not hot at all. This is an excellent enclosure, so I'm very happy with that.